Hey guys, I wanted to shoot a quick video on the proper way to use hand sanitizer. So the first thing you should be aware of is that if your hands are visibly soiled at all, sanitizer is not enough. That's not going to remove what's on your hands. It's just going to really disinfect your hands. So you got to use soap and water. If your hands are visibly clean, all right, you don't see anything on them, hand sanitizer is a good replacement. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take a good amount that's enough that will, about a quarter size there of a coin. So you want to take enough that's going to last for about 20 seconds when you're using it before it starts to dry out. So palm to palm, we're going to go around the back side of your hands, going between your fingers on one hand, between your fingers on the other hand. Okay. You're going to clasp your hands together and rub this way. Then you're going to clasp the other way, okay, like this, and you're going to rub that way. Now, this is really important. This is where a lot of stuff really catches and gets caught that people don't really clean, is around the thumbs. So you want to rub that sanitizer into the thumb area here. Okay. Now you want to take your fingertips where your fingernails are, okay, and you're going to rub them in circles into your palm. This is forcing the alcohol sanitizer into the finger beds under the nails, whereas a lot of bacteria and germs will accumulate, okay. And then we want to finish simply by going around your wrists, okay. So that should take roughly about 30 seconds or so, 20 to 30 seconds, and you want to make sure that, again, you have enough that's going to last that amount of time. All right. Hope that helps you guys out.